Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NULS coin. In today's video, we will take a look at this big breakout from this down channel and also this key resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to start with this recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 20th of July, a few days back. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that NULS coin formed with Bitcoin pair, and this movement this pattern was formed on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, before this, NULS formed this guardrail move that I shared in the month of March 2022 with my members. Let me show you first this one, and then I'll take you to the current move. And this was also formed with the Bitcoin pair that I shared on 17th of March. And I've played this chart, then you can see that we had a really very big pump from this potential reversals on the price line, rallied very well. And now if we take a look at the current move that I shared a few days back on 20th of July, that was a harmonic guardrail move on the daily time frame chart. And from TradingView, I can play this idea once again, and you can see that so far price line has reached this sell target here. And now we are moving between this potential reversal zone and this potential sell zone of the harmonic guardrail move. But I'm expecting that the move can be far more bigger, because if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then NULS has broken out a very big down channel. And it was moving inside this down channel since October 2021, and you can see finally we have broken out this channel. And if I take you to the daily time frame, then after breaking out, we have retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and now we are moving up. And now there is a very strong key resistance zone in the way of NULS, and that is from 32 cents and goes to 35 cents. And you can see previously this level has been working as a very strong support from December 2018 to even up to here. Here we broke it down first time in November 2019, and then it was working as a strong resistance. Once we broke it down, we got rejection here. We got a few more rejections here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 rejections. And then we broke it out here, and again we broke it down, and here you can see that we had several rejections by this resistance zone. And once we broke it out here in the month of Feb 2021, then again it was working as a nice support. We bounced from here, we got some other bounces from here, and we had a nice rally. And again, price line used this level as a support here, and right now you can see again price line is moving towards this resistance. But after breaking out this channel, the probability will be very high that soon NULS can also break out this very strong resistance zone as well. And now if we take a look at the target for this down channel, that will be at the top of the channel where we have very strong resistance. You can see that here we have few rejections, and this was the last rejection, and that was this rejection point or target is approximately at $1.58. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.